Yeah, hi Steve, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so I've got your part. I've changed the laser again, and I've checked everything. This thing here is really sort of dodgy. I'll just fire up and I'll show you it. So it's all working. You're missing a couple of bits here. Okay, I'm going to show you what. I just want to show you this working, so you know it's working. Okay. Okay, so you can hear that running as it should be, and that's your part there. Okay, so I'm going to stop it and I'll fire it back up again, just so you know that it's all running as it should be. Let me just turn that volume up. Right, so you can see it's all running. Okay, so like the parts I'm going to show you now, let me just turn this off. Okay, so basically this part here, okay, is not there. That little bit on there, this little black part here, that's my part there that I need to take off because it's come off of another system. But basically you should have like a little black spindle that goes on top of there, and that holds the CD in for the clamper. Okay, so you're missing that. It's probably in your jukebox. And this bit here, you can you see that? That's just wiggling all over the place. And when you put your CD in there, it's just going to keep catching that, and it won't work anyway. It'll just catch it and then it'll just stop, because I've done it. But you need to align that. You're only going to be able to do that when you put the cap on top, if you get what I mean. So you need to, I don't know, maybe glue it or something. I don't know. There must be a way around that. I don't know how your setup is. I'm guessing it's the same as most of them, where you got like a little clamp over the top, like a little black part that goes over the top on that. So yeah, okay Steve, so hopefully you're happy with that, and that's in the post for you today, buddy. Thanks very much. Cheers.